Welcome to Ileanovo. We are your best choice for hair restoration procedures in Colombia. We are located in the heart of the Valley of Medellin, where it's always spring. Our facilities are designed to ensure your comfort and overall enjoyment of your hair restoration experience. From the very first moment, we will guide you through your personal checkup with one of our specialists. The day of your procedure, you can rest assured you'll be taken care of and that our staff will be ready to provide you with anything you need. We'll make a personalized design taking in consideration your donor and receptor zones, the anatomy of your face, and the desired look you wish to achieve. We will walk you through grafting and implantation of the follicular units, taking the utmost care of each singular one. After a procedure, you'll be able to resume your regular activities with minimum care. We will help you build your best version, and here are some examples of what we can do for you. Welcome to Ileanovo. We're ready for you.